Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give potassium to plants. Potassium is a vital nutrient, often called potash, that plays a crucial role in your plant's overall health and development. It helps strengthen cell walls, making plants more resilient to diseases and environmental stresses like drought. Adequate potassium also significantly improves the quality and quantity of fruits and flowers, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Recognizing a potassium deficiency early is key. Look for yellowing or browning along the edges of older leaves, which can sometimes appear scorched. Once you've identified a need, consider your potassium sources. Organic options include wood ash, kelp meal, and even chopped banana peels. For a more concentrated boost, commercial fertilizers often contain potassium, commonly referred to as potash. There are several effective ways to apply potassium. For granular products, gently mix them into the top few inches of soil around the plant's drip line. If you're using a liquid form, dilute it according to package directions and apply it directly to the soil as a drench. For a rapid response, foliar sprays can deliver potassium directly to the leaves, providing a quick, temporary boost. Proper dosage and timing are crucial for success. Always refer to your specific product's instructions, as application rates can vary, often around 1 to 2 tablespoons per plant. The best time to apply is typically in early spring or as soon as you notice deficiency symptoms. Remember, a soil test can provide precise recommendations for your garden. And speaking of staying healthy, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.